Good morning. I am so tired. So I decided to start vlogging right now because, well, it's 7 or 8 in the morning, and I think it's 8. I should know. I need to get ready really quickly because I have a wedding. It's a really simple wedding this morning. It's like just one girl. It's the bride. She's actually the mom of another bride that I had, but she's getting married herself. So they were like, hey, can you do my mom's wedding makeup? And I was like, sure. But they're coming to my studio, so I'm excited. Pero, girl, tengo sueño. I'm tired. I came home from work around 12 because last night was my mom's birthday. I have a little clip of that, so I'll insert it here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you. Woohoo! Yay! Alabao! Alabim bomba! Mala! Barara! Woohoo! ¿Cómo es, abuelita? Yay! Merry Christmas!
Yeah, so after that we got home around almost 1, and then by the time I showered, got ready for bed, I was in bed around 1:15, and then I went to bed around 2 by the time I closed my eyes and fell asleep. So yeah, tengo sueño, pero me voy a arreglar rapidito porque we have to get out of here. It's 8:07, so I want to be there by 8:40 to get everything situated. Okay, I'm ready. Vamos. It is so cold. Right now it's 30 degrees right now. No Bad Bunny, no. I like cold weather, but at the same time I can't deal with colder than 30 because I'm already a cold person in itself. I don't know how people do it if you live up in very snowy areas. I don't even know how to drive in snow. I don't know what I would even do. I forget to even turn on my car here because you're not supposed to drive your car that quickly once you get in it if it's cold outside, or at least that's what my dad tells me. But yeah, I'm gonna drink my little fast breakfast. It's like a nutritional shake. Strawberry flavor. All right, bye. para sus labios, ¿quiere un color más fuerte o quiere algo más como clarito? Como la última vez le pinté como algo más como su color. Y aquí adentro le voy a poner una toallita. Mira, este es una toallita para quitarse el maquillaje. En la noche antes de dormirse se lo quita con el maquillaje este. Es como una toallita y se lo quita así. ¿Ok? No se duerme en el maquillaje, ¿ok?
No, ese.
Muy bien, bonita. Gracias a usted. Bienvenida otra vez. Gracias. ¿Le puedo tomar una foto? Sí. Y sonríe, ¿ok? Ok, y luego mira para abajo con los ojos. Ok. ¿Segura que no quiere algo de tomar o algo?
No, sí,
Sí. A ver. Gracias. No, ustedes. Disfruten su boda.
Sí, gracias.
Bye.
Adiós.
Adios. Okay guys, so I just finished doing the lady's makeup, and she's like one of those ladies that never gets her makeup done. Let me put you guys right here. Yeah, so she never gets her makeup done. So she felt like the first time she said, since I did her makeup for her wedding, for her daughter's wedding, she said she felt so like embarrassed. I don't know. I feel like maybe she just felt, she said she felt pretty, but that she just felt like apenada, which means like embarrassed. Me being a translator. No, I'm just kidding. But I just told her like we will try to make her look like herself, but a little bit more glam because it is her wedding. And I told her like in pictures she's gonna have to put a little bit more makeup on, because she was asking me like, what do you think? Thankfully she did ask me that, because usually girls are always like, oh, I don't like this, you know, they don't really ask me for my opinion. I'm always like up to give them my opinion if they're down to hear it, but some are not down to hear it, and so I'm just like, it makes my job a little harder. But she was so sweet and it was really nice, and I hope she liked it. I hope she really did like it. She looked great. She looked great. But oh, and then I'm gonna clean up really quickly because my dad called me and said if I wanted to go out to eat for breakfast, which is kind of rare that we go out as a family to eat breakfast, so I need to clean up fast. And I actually finished quite early. I started at 9 and 48 minutes later I'm done. I also, before I start cleaning up, I need to buy a shade of concealer. Sorry, I forget that I have to switch my mic around for you guys to hear me. But basically, I had to mix her foundation with a concealer to make this shade here in the middle. Like, this is the foundation, that's the concealer. I need to find a concealer this shade. I actually used to have one from e.l.f., but I need to get rid of them because they're really old. These are the tones that I used to have, and since she was like more medium toned, I need to buy a shade like that. I think it was more like that shade. But obviously they're like expired AF, so I need to buy shades like this. I just keep them in my bag so I remember. But other than that, I made things work, you know. That's the art of makeup. You gotta just mix things to make things happen. You can't be like, oh, I don't have the shade, because then you'll be in a pickle and then you just don't have a good makeup look at the end. So that was how I fixed that issue, by mixing foundation and concealer, because at the end of the day, it's all face makeup. And now I'm gonna for real start cleaning up, all right? Bye! So before I start cleaning my brushes with jabón sote, I wanted to show you guys that I like to do a brush cleaner first. So right now I'm using this one, the Perian Spirit. Not my favorite, it's a little oily, but that's why I use it before washing my brushes. And then with warm water I use a zote. If you use zote with cold water, it's not going to take out anything out of your brush. So make sure you do warm water, or you do the double thing where you do the brush cleaner and then the zote. Okay? Okay. Hey guys, so I am home currently finishing this video up, but since I'm already here, I really wanted to show you very quickly how I kind of go about spending for my kit. I need to like restock my kit desperately, but I do have a little bit left over and I don't have that many makeup gigs at the moment, so that's why I'm not buying it right now. But the way I kind of prepare myself to see like if I should keep saving, kind of like see how much, it's like I'm brainstorming kinda. So this is like what I do. So I sit down and I also, quick little tip, try to get pro discounts from any website like NARS. Charlotte Tilbury offers a pro discount, also Makeup Forever, Makeup by Mario. I make a list of each website. So I have like Amazon, I'm gonna spend $200 there, and Makeup by Mario, I'm gonna spend $120 there. Sephora, $390, Charlotte Tilbury, $161, NARS, $175, and the total is like over $1,000. And I'm like, do I need that all right now? No, because I do have like enough foundation at the moment, but I know for like the summer I desperately need to buy those full foundation bottles, because right now all I have is like the little squeezy ones. That will probably last me a good amount. Finish the whatever is in that little tube, and then I'll purchase the full-size foundations. I have enough again for right now because I don't have that many makeup jobs, but I know like in the summer I'm gonna have to. But that's how I kind of just plan it out, and it gives me time to like think, okay, no spending because I'm not making a lot, but I also have my other job, so that's why no me limito sometimes, because I know I have the money, but it's just like I need to be very considerate. But I also heard from another makeup artist that it's actually really smart to like invest in your business, which I always do. I always invest in myself and in my business by like buying higher end makeup or going to master classes. But the more you spend in your business, it like kind of helps with your taxes in some way, because the way that she put it, which again, this is from Julie, I heard that she said that her tax person said that if you do that, it helps you like pay less in the end if you spend more. I don't know if that made sense, but she explained it a lot better, so watch Julie if you're wondering. But that's kind of how I do my shopping. I do most of it online because I also use Rakuten. Rakuten is like a cashback website, so that's like another big tip. I'm trying to get any money back, guys. Like, this is an expensive job. Be warned if you're trying to get into this industry, okay? Okay. But I'm gonna end it here, guys. I really hope y'all enjoyed seeing a little bit of the day, because I haven't really been posting on YouTube and I feel bad, but I'm here. If you want to see more of my face, follow me on my Instagrams, on my TikTok, I'll be there, okay? But I just wanted to say thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.